Hi, welcome to my second tutorial for adding PHP code into your WordPress site. In the previous tutorial, we watched how to implement your PHP code via cPanel. What we used, it was we went to our root directory where we had our WordPress installation. We just created a simple file with a simple echo statement, hello world echo statement, and just to make sure that the PHP code was running and we had no problems. The second way that we might think it might work for adding PHP files, it would be directly into the pages generated by WordPress. This would be the case if your site or your PHP code is just a small snippet of code. Obviously, if you have like lots of pieces of code, then you might have to use some other option, like you would have to create a file. Uh, I mean, an FTP user and password to upload several files into your root directory, just like the one that I showed you on the previous video. But if you only have a short snippet of code, you might think that you can just create a file and paste your code into that file, which we saw this method already works. Or you could try to paste this code directly into the WordPress page. So in order to do so, you would have to log in into your admin, and the way you do so, you just enter your domain address plus WP admin. It will send you to the login page where you will have to use your username and password, and it will send you to the dashboard. Here in the dashboard, we will have to go to pages, and here in pages we could try to add a new page. I'm gonna call this page test, and here we have the HTML editor, which we might think it can work for PHP code. So we're gonna give it a try with just a simple hello world. So we have this hello world. Then we click on publish, and we can go to the page, and we see that there is no hello world right here. There is no hello world, and this means that my PHP code is not running. Should be, this is like the visual area. You can see that it's blank. So this method of adding PHP code from your HTML editor, built-in HTML editor that WordPress has, it doesn't work for adding your PHP code. And the reason why you would like to do this is because you want to have the header, which is this bar right here at the left, and the footer. So in the next video, I'm gonna talk about templates and how you can use templates to integrate your PHP code with some other files of WordPress, such as a header file and the footer file. And thank you for watching.